Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to schedule Reels on Instagram. You need an additional app for this, because Instagram removed the scheduling Reel feature. So that's why you need to download the application from the Google Play Store. And the name of the application is Later. You can download this application from the Google Play Store, and I think this application is also available on Apple Store. So after the installation, open the application. To use this application feature, you need to create your account in this application, and you can create your account with the help of your Google account. After signing in through your Google account, you must log in to your Instagram account in this application. After this application will take up to 1 to 3 minutes to load its library. I don't know why. It could be a bug, but whenever you try to open this application, it will take up to 1 to 3 minutes, and then the library will be uploaded. So as you can see now, I logged into my Google account in this application, and I will show you by tapping on this account icon. As you can see, my Gmail account has been logged in, and I also signed in to my Instagram account in this application. And now, how can you schedule your Reels with the help of this application? Tap on this schedule. From here, tap on this pencil icon. The first thing you need to do is upload your Reel to this application. How can you do this? By simply tapping on this plus sign, and from here, tapping on the option, Upload. Now select your Reels from your gallery, as I will choose. Now, my Reel is uploaded to this application. Media has been successfully uploaded into this application, and I will show you by swiping from top to bottom. As you see, later media uploads, and also it will take a while when you try to upload your Reels or video or something in this application. And after uploading, tap on this plus sign. And here is my Reel, which I uploaded to this application. Tap on this. Now you can adjust this by writing a caption or something else. But the main thing is the schedule. Tap on this option, Schedule a post, and select a date for your Reels. From here, I will choose 19th January 2024. After this, tap on the option. Okay? And also choose the time. For your Reel, I will select 12 a.m. after this. Tap on the option. Okay, now my Reel is successfully scheduled. And if you want to check, tap on this list icon. As you can see, here is my scheduled post, and it will be automatically posted on 19th January 2024. So it was a way by which you can schedule your Reels on Instagram, and also your post as well. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. We are eager to hear from you.